Do you ever wonder what's growing in your vegetable garden? When we use compost, sometimes new plants pop up and we don't know whether they're a weed or an actual vegetable that we can grow, find more produce from. I'll show you a free way that you can identify these plants and see whether you can keep them or whether they're a weed. If you use Google browser on your phone, you go to Google and you find there's a little camera dot on the corner. You push this and this becomes a lens. Then what you do, you can see your vegetable garden. You can see mine. I have a lot of plants that have grown up from the compost. These ones I do know they're a tomato plant. We'll just see what Google Lens says. You touch on the little looking glass and then it takes a little photo of what you were touching on your screen, and I gives an overview. It says this is a healthy tomato plant, like a cherry tomato plant variety, growing in a garden bed with mulch. So a cherry tomato is what I want to keep. So I'm probably going to take this plant out and grow it in a larger space. I think there's actually several little in this one photo. There's about 6 healthy plants. So I'll dig them out, transfer them and make a new garden bed for them. You can use the Google Lens tool free if you want to do it this way, or you can pay for a yearly subscription, which is about $99, and it will help identify anything. It can be clothing that you want to purchase. You see somebody wearing something, you can take a screenshot of it and try and see where they purchased the piece of clothing from. It can be identifying crystals, you can be identifying birds, any sort of animals, creatures, plants, anything you want. You can use it to help identify. We'll just try one more thing. This large leaf plant which has come up from the compost. So you just go to Google Lens, you push the glass and then you see what it's saying. It says it's a pumpkin plant. So I have been putting pumpkin seeds into my compost, so I will also dig this out. It needs a lot more room and make a new garden bed for this. I have several pumpkin plants, big healthy leaves over here that are growing, and I'll transplant these before they get any bigger. Bring Google up, you go to this little square box with the dot in the middle and it will open Google Lens. Of course it will listen to you unless you can turn it off. There is Google Lens, an app that looks like this in your app store where you can pay a yearly amount to use it, which is $99, though I choose to use a free way. I hope this quick tip can help you make sure that you don't pull out any plants that are food plants that may grow up from your compost. It can help you understand or identify what plants are what. Do you ever wonder what's growing in your vegetable garden?